Hi friends, hope that you will be fine. Today I'm going to introduce another tool that is basically the competitor of Windsurf, the Bolt.new and other tools. And its name is HeroUI, and its interface is very simple. Here you have basically the chats option, the setting, and there are some recent prompts that are available over here, like the one that is create dashboard. If I click this is basically these are basically the prompts that are being basically used by the users. And if you want to use if you want to use this tool, you will be having the option to basically show your prompt as public or private. If it's public, it will be visible to all. So this is basically a public prompt, and if I click this, you will see that the dashboard has been created with this, and this dashboard is relevant to an e-commerce page where a total revenue is shown over here with the sales overview, and there are different graphs, the analytics, the customers, and then the orders, and it's basically trend, whether it's increasing or decreasing, the conversion rate. And this page is totally responsive. You can view it in the mobile basically a window, or the tab, or the desktop. So it's basically an amazing app, and you can use it very easily. The limit of it's having only I think so three messages per day. You can use it daily with 3 messages, and the credit of the messages will be recouped on daily basis. So it's amazing. So let's use it, and I'm giving it my first basically prompt in which I'm going to use to develop a landing page. And this prompt is basically enhanced by the AI star, which you can see below the message window. So now it has started working. It's now creating the files of different sections are being created, and the files you can see over here, and these files can be downloaded and you can deploy it, of course. Similarly, there are basically other options of this tool that can be used. For example, here you have the hero section. I have given this in the prompt. Similarly, the about section, and so on. So these all sections are being created over here. You can deploy this on different basically applications, for example. So now let's see here. It is being, the preview is going to be displayed, but there is no preview, and I am unable to see the preview. It's a blank page. So let's click the preview, and or click the tab mode or the mobile mode, but it's not working. Let's refresh the page. Again, it's not working. Here you can see that it's not working. So please note that these are the problems which you may face while running any app. So let's try it. I have copied the basically the web address which it has produced by default, and I have opened it in a new window, but it's not working again. Let's try it once more, and let's click the button from where we can open a new page directly, but it's not working over there as well. Please note that I have not edited it. I'm giving you an honest review. This type of problem you can face on any software, on any AI software. So let's ask the software that the web page is not displayed, the preview screen is blank, and please resolve this issue. So let's see whether it can resolve this issue, or it cannot be fixed. So if it cannot be fixed, then of course the rating of this app will not be good, but I'm hopeful that it will fix this issue. So it's thinking at the moment, and it's editing and changing different files. For example, here you can see that it is editing the source component and the section, the tsx section, etc. It's amazing. Now you can see the basically the preview window of the app or the page, where here you can see that elevate your brand, a very good picture, the about us section, the services section, the pricing plan, the order now buttons, and then the client testimonials and the request a quote section, and similarly the footer section. So this is amazing, and you can copy it the code, you can deploy it on your WordPress website, etc, etc. So I would say that it's amazing, and the result is good. You can change, of course, these images which are used by default in this app. Now let us check it in another window. For example, here you can see that it's not fully basically visible directly here, but if you can okay, here HeroUI.com is a website which is basically the parent website of this app, and this is basically offering services or applications while you develop websites. So we will be discussing it later, but let me use another prompt. Here you can see that 3 messages left. So I think so that there were 4 messages in total. So this is 3 messages per day is the limit, and no, sorry, 4 messages per day is the limit. I have used 1 message, and this is my second message. So now I am giving another prompt to give me basically another to basically create another landing page. So let us go to the website HeroUI.com, which is basically the parent website of this company. And in this website, it is basically offering customizable web applications that can be used on your WordPress websites. And there are different themes that are basically amazing, colorful, and with different dark mode, color mode, and basically these are beautiful. And similarly, it is also available. Hero UI is available on the GitHub as well. You can go to github.com HeroUI-inc, and you can check its functionalities. So now I'm again here on the HeroUI.com, and it has given me an error again, and it's failed to resolve import pages authentication login from src routes index tsx. Does the file exist? So it seems that there is an error. Let us try to fix this. So as a first try, I'm enhancing the prompt using AI, and let us check it whether if there was some issue in the prompt, and rerun it. So it's running again, it's thinking, it's resolving the issue, and I have asked it to basically give me a web app, which is basically an income and expenditure application, and it's trying to make it. Let's see what it makes now. And it's changing the files which it has already generated, and let's hope that the problem is resolved. So it's now creating the constant data, and basically it's designing the whole app or the whole web page and the budget overview, etc, etc. So basically it's updating the whole structure. Now here also you can see that 2 messages are left. So if I want to use it, I have to upgrade it. So the result is over here. Now again it's giving me the same error, and this error can be resolved by making it by pasting this error in this message prompt and asking it to resolve. But I will not take your time more. The video length is almost I think so it's around 10 minutes. and I will try to complete the video within 12 to 13 minutes. So you can check it by yourself. So this is basically my honest review, and I'm not editing it, I'm not clipping any part, and I'm showing you that what type of problems you can face while using any AI application. So here the problem exists, still exists. Here the problem still exists. So I have left only one message. Let's try to create a fully interactive Apple Watch operating system UI, and let's see whether what it can produce. I have enhanced the prompt using AI, and now I'm clicking to produce me the results. It's thinking, and thinking, and after thinking it will start creating the files. So now it's creating the files. On the right hand side you can see that it's programming the package.json, and now it's basically using the watch-face.tsx, and other files are being created, and I'm hopeful that it will be giving us a very interactive Apple Watch operating system UI. And if it created it, I would say that it will be amazing. So let's wait and see how much time it will take more. Normally it takes 2 to 3 minutes for a simple task. This time is not too much, and normally all the applications take the time. So it is basically showing me the UI, and it's not too good, and it's of an average basically functionality. The move option, the exercise, the stand, they are visible, but they are not basically interactive. Similarly, the message section, it is showing the calendar and other functionalities. Truly speaking, it's not too good, but it can be made. If you can change the prompt and you ask it to make it functional, interactive, it can work. So thank you so much for watching my video.